Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, East St. Louis, local and long distance movers near me. Our skilled movers understand how to ensure that your long distance move does not involve all the stress. Regardless of how far you need to move, our team of expert movers will make it a lot simpler. Moving isn't easy, but using the right moving services can definitely make things so much easier. In addition to loading and transportation and unloading, our team also provides a lot of other moving services, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. It might not be very easy to reconcile the price of getting an Illinois moving company. A closer look at the advantages you receive from a local moving company can help you understand why it's a smart choice. A good moving company can help you preserve time, regardless of how far you're moving. It will also prevent you from having to take care of heavy lifting. Our crew of qualified movers are also going to make sure your move is very efficient. If you really want a streamlined moving day, 3 Movers is the proper decision for you. A move that will take you all weekend to perform, we can take care of in one afternoon. In addition to local and long distance moving, our East St. Louis moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.